As climate change continues to impact our planet, the Climate Risk Index, CRI, serves as a vital tool to assess and understand how different countries are affected by climate-induced disasters. This index analyzes the extent of weather-related losses and the degree of physical and economic vulnerability to these events. As we look towards 2026, let's explore the top 10 countries that are projected to be most affected according to the Climate Risk Index. Bangladesh continuously topping the list. Bangladesh is at high risk due to its geographical location, which subjects it to frequent floods and cyclones. These events have devastating effects on its densely populated areas, leading to significant economic and human losses. Philippines. The Philippines experiences an average of 20 typhoons annually, making it severely vulnerable to intense storms. The increasing intensity of these tropical cyclones, coupled with rising sea levels, threatens both its urban and rural areas. India. With its diverse climate conditions, India faces numerous challenges, including severe heat waves, flooding, and unpredictable monsoon patterns. These weather changes impact agriculture, water resources, and millions of livelihoods across the country. Puerto Rico. Still recovering from previous hurricanes, Puerto Rico is highly susceptible to future extreme weather events. Its inability to fully rebuild and fortify infrastructure against recurring storms places it at continued risk on the CRI. Haiti. Political instability and poverty exacerbate Haiti's vulnerability to climate-induced disasters. Earthquakes, hurricanes, and deforestation impacts make recovery efforts arduous and leave the nation vulnerable to climate change effects. Vietnam. Vietnam is experiencing rising sea levels that threaten its extensive coastline and agricultural lands. The Mekong Delta, a critical region for rice production, is at risk, affecting food security and livelihoods. Mozambique. Facing a series of devastating cyclones, Mozambique's challenges include rampant flooding that displaces communities and damages infrastructure, hindering economic progress and recovery efforts in a nation heavily reliant on agriculture. Japan. Though equipped with advanced technology and resources, Japan remains vulnerable due to its location in the Pacific Ring of Fire, exposing it to frequent cyclones and extreme weather events. Economic risks loom as these occurrences intensify. Pakistan. With severe floods and heat waves growing more common, Pakistan faces significant agricultural losses and human impacts. Water scarcity further adds to its vulnerability, necessitating urgent measures for climate adaptation. Sri Lanka. Rising temperatures and erratic rainfall patterns are causing devastating impacts on Sri Lanka's agriculture-dependent economy. The country also faces increased risks from storms and flooding, straining public resources and infrastructure. Mitigation and adaptation efforts. These countries, ranked highest on the Climate Risk Index, highlight the urgent need for international collaboration to address climate change. Mitigation strategies, like reducing emissions, and adaptation measures, such as building resilient infrastructure, are vital to protect vulnerable communities. Global support through funding and technology transfer can aid these nations in implementing effective climate action plans. In conclusion, the 2026 Climate Risk Index urges us to recognize the acute challenges certain countries face and to prioritize a global, unified effort against the impending threat of climate-induced disasters.